In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade silver futures inside of IBKR or interactive brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up interactive brokers like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to sign into your account. Now, once you're inside of your account, you'll need to go up to the search bar up here. And then from here, you'll need to click on COMEX, like so. Once you get in here, you'll need to go down to the QL or QI, stands for COMEX Mini Silver, and you'll just need to click on this until this page will pop up on the dashboard. Now from here, there'll be some sort of glitch sometimes where you can't buy or see the prices of the specific future, but it should look something like this. As you can see here, the SPY down here where you can order or buy order or sell order, and you can also add stop loss by clicking on the Thunderbolt down here and then change your settings down here. From here, you'll just simply need to say you want to click the buy market, sell market, buy limit order or sell limit order. Then you can just buy one of these that's suitable for you, and then it'll pop up over here in the portfolio, especially under orders down here, and once they get filled, it'll go over inside of the positions tab over here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!